Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. Today, a vendor sent me a free product, and this is a paid review. Let's open it up and see what we got. I have a MOKURA LED tactical flashlight kit. Very nice case. If you have an electronics nerd in your life, really cool for a tactical flashlight. It comes in this beautiful case. So, instructions, always important. I love instructions. So, the first thing I'm going to do here is we have a nice strap for a headlamp. And I didn't even know I was getting a headlamp, but here's the headlamp, and I'm going to show you the functions of the headlamp. So it's very nice and bright. That's probably bright for you. And then here's the features of that lamp. So distress, we've got a red flashing. And then, of course, you can easily just put that on your strap. Has a strap for the headlamp if you want to do that. Charging cord for both the flashlight and the headlamp. And here is the beauty, the power. This is a tactical flashlight. Wow, this is a very powerful flashlight. I'm going to shine it right at it might blank out the actual camera here. But and then you can actually, I'm going to shine it over on this wall here. And it opens up really, really wide, or you can pinpoint it. And there's an actual, if you can see that, there's an actual crosshairs there too, for if you were hunting something, hunting purposes. And then you can open that up. And I'm telling you, in a large area, that really opens up. But it does actually, I'm just show it on the wall there again. I'll show you, go through the different features. There's a little less light. I'll open it up just a little bit. A little less light. There's flashing. There's flashing slower. And then off. So it definitely has quite a few features. And I will show you in the next segment of this video at nighttime how well this works. It is awesome. So as you can see, we are out in the dark right now. So now I'm going to turn on my flashlight. How about that, huh? That is a very nice, bright flashlight. And I can open it up and really lighten up my entire yard. That is a pretty awesome flashlight. Or if I want to pinpoint something way out there, and actually, how cool is this flashlight? How bad do you want this tactical badass flashlight?